Hi, you guys. It's Grand Mary, and I want to give you guys much more information about my Everyday Mary J cannabis products, okay? What I have done is I took my Everyday Mary J cannabis out of its little container and I decarbed it in the oven. Now, if you don't know what that means, when we ingest cannabis, it has to be decarboxylated. You have to heat it in order to remove that extra carboxyl group. Cool thing to say, huh? But like when you're smoking a joint, you're decarbing, right? So whenever you are cooking with cannabis, you have to decarb. The great thing about Everyday Mary J cooking weed is you don't need all the stuff, the cheesecloth and all that. Not necessary, because all you gotta do is put the little container in the oven. I do about 30 minutes, 40 minutes at 240, 250, right around there, okay? So it's decarbed now, it's ready to go, it's bioavailable, yeah.